In this video, we'll go over how to process adoptions, send a congratulatory email, and an awesome texting feature to notify your adopters about their finalized application. Our new texting module will also allow adopters to submit adoption fees and make additional donations to your organization, as long as your bank account is set up with us. When you log in, you'll find all of your pets listed in the My Pets Manage Pet Data section. You can look up a pet by typing in their name, microchip number, or internal ID number in the search bar. To process an adoption, simply click on the Manage button next to the pet and select Assign Adopter from the drop-down menu. You can select an adopter from your drop-down list of contacts. For new contacts, click on Create New Contact to input your adopter's information. Please note that the email address is a required field. If the contact does not have an email or does not wish to provide one, simply input their first name and last name at Petstablished.com. Once you've filled out the adopter's information, click on Submit to continue. All new contacts created will be saved in the Contact section of your account. Click on Submit to proceed. A congratulatory email to your adopter will appear, and you're welcome to customize the message below in Organization Settings email templates. In this email, your adopter will have access to helpful training videos and other resources to help them care for their pets via the Bissell Pet Network. You can also send this message via text by clicking on Add SMS to collect adoption fees and donations. Here's an example of the text the adopter will receive. When the adopter clicks on the donation link, it will bring them to a page where they can submit adoption fees and make additional donations to your organization. Don't forget to set up your bank account in Organization Settings. In addition, you can customize the adoption packet, upload documents to share with your adopters, and set an adoption date. Once you finalize your adoption, the pet status will automatically update to Adopted. You can choose whether to register the pet's microchip now or later. Remember, every time you or your adopters registers a microchip, you earn a free chip and receive $2 cash back. This applies to any chip from any manufacturer. If the microchip is already registered, you'll see this message instead, indicating that we have automatically assigned the adopter as the primary contact and your organization stays as the secondary contact on the chip. If you'd like to update this information, you can do so by clicking on the Change Microchip Information button. When your adopters log into their Petlover account, they can easily view their pet's information, register their microchip, and view medical records and download documents you have shared with them. They also have access to instructional training videos and the resources of the Bissell Pet Network, including free services, so their pets can live their best lives. Amazing things happen when you process adoptions. Not only can you get additional donations, but you will also save much more of the resource you often have the least of: time. In the future, there will be additional revenue share programs for organizations that have processed adoptions in their accounts as well. We recommend getting started now to reap the full benefits of these revenue share programs once released. This concludes our tutorial, but you can access online manuals and more tutorials in the Tutorials and FAQ section of your account. Have questions? Contact us or schedule an online walkthrough with one of our friendly team members. Thank you for your time and all the awesome work you do.